Good morning, dear students. Today I shall start the same scene, act second, scene second. Page number 54. Last speech of Lancelot. Here Lancelot says, Father, he is talking to his own father, old Bobo. He says, Father, in. In means go inside Bassanio's house. I cannot get a service. If you did not help me, I did not get a job in Bassanio's house. I cannot get a service. Service means birth, place, BERTH, place, job. Without your help, I hope that I would not be able to get a job in Bassanio's house. No, I have never a tongue in my head. I have never a tongue in my head. I don't know how to present my views before Bassanio's. It is you who helped me. Otherwise, I will not get a job. I have never a tongue in my head. I have never a tongue in my head. Means I cannot speak for myself. Well, looking on his palm. He started looking on his palm. He found himself a very fortunate man after getting a job in Bassanio's house. He was tortured in the house of Shylock the Jew. Well, looking on his palm, he started looking on his palm and thought that he is very fortunate. Looking on his palm, if any man in Italy have a fairer table, palm of the hand. Lancelot, pretending to be a palmist, tells his fortune by looking at his palm. If any man in Italy have a fairer table, if any man in Italy have a fairer table which doth offer to swear upon a book, I shall have good fortune. Lancelot says, after looking at his palm, okay, he says, if any man in Italy has a more fortunate palm, which he places on the Bible when he is swearing an oath, I am vastly surprised, for I shall have good fortune. I am very fortunate, Lancelot says, I am very fortunate that I got a job in the house of Bassanio. If any man in Italy have a fairer table, table means palm of the hand. Okay, Lancelot pretending to be a palmist. Okay, he presents himself as an astrologer, tells his fortune by looking at his palm. He says, if any man in Italy has a more fortunate palm, which he places on the Bible when he is swearing an oath, I am vastly surprised, for I shall have good fortune. I shall have good fortune. Go to means look. Okay, he says go to means look here at my palm. Look, there is a simple line of life. There is a simple line of life means there is a line in my hand which passes from the ball of the thumb, is called in palmistry the line of life. Okay, he says, a line in my hand which passes from the palm of the hand here, which passes from the ball of the thumb, okay, is called in palmistry the line of life. Here is a simple line of life. Here is a small trickle of wipes. Here is a small trickle of wipes means here is a small unimportant line dealing with marriage. Alas, 15 wives is nothing. 15 wives is nothing means 15 wives do not mean much. This is mere nothing. Okay, 15 wives is nothing. 11 widows and 9 maids is a simple coming in formal. Lancelot says that I am a single man, but in my line of marriage in my hand, it is written that 11 widows and 4 maidens, okay, 11 widows and 4 maidens will become my wife and they will bring a lot of a dowry for me. Okay, 11 widows and 9 maids is a simple coming in for one man to be destined to marry 11 widows and 9 maidens in just ordinary allowance for a single man. And then to escape drowning thrice and to be in peril of my life with the ace of a feathered bed. Okay. He says, then to escape drowning thrice. I shall escape from drowning thrice. Means then I am to escape from drowning thrice. Then to escape drowning thrice and to be in peril of my life with the ace of a feathered bed. Okay, with the ace of a feathered bed means I shall be in danger, I shall be in peril for a marriage, but I shall have a narrow escape from it too. To be in peril of my life with the ace of a feathered bed. Here are simple escapes. Here are simple escapes. Here are simple escapes. Well, if fortune be a woman, she is a good wench. Wench means girl or lady. For this gear means for this purpose on this occasion. If fortune is if fortune is depicted as a woman to indicate the inconstancy of fate for this purpose. Okay. Well, fortune is a woman. She is a good wench for this year. Another meaning of this line is that Lancelot says that if fortune is depicted as a woman to indicate the inconstancy of fate, that lady means fortune will favor me, fortune will help me. Father, come, I shall take my leave of the Jew in the twinkling of an eye. He told his own father, Gobo, old Gobo, come, I shall take my leave of the Jew in the twinkling of an eye. In the twinkling of an eye means just in a moment. Wait, I shall go to my old master, Shylock, and in just a moment, I shall take leave from him and then I shall join the service of Bassanio, the Christian, a noble Christian. Exeunt Lancelot and old Gogo. Bassanio, I pray thee, good Leonardo, I pray thee means I request you D means you. I request you. I pray you. Good Leonardo, think on this. Think on this matter. These things being bought and orderly bestowed. Bestowed means arranged. These things being bought and orderly bestowed. When you have bought those things and packed them properly, because Bassanio prepares to go to Belmont. That's why he gave a long list of the things and told him, bought all these things and arranged those things in a systematic way. Okay. These things being bought and orderly bestowed. Bestowed means arranged. Bought all those things and arranged in a systematic way, arranged in a proper way. Return in haste, for I do fear tonight. Return in haste. Return in haste. Come back immediately, for I do feast tonight, because I have given a banquet to my friends tonight. Feast means banquet. I have given a banquet to my friends tonight before going from here to Belmont. My best esteemed acquaintance, I do feast tonight, my best esteemed acquaintance. My best esteemed acquaintance means most honored friends. Okay, today I shall have dinner with my most honored friends. High the ego. Hurry up, take yourself quickly. Leonardo said, my best endeavors shall be done herein. My best endeavors means efforts. My best efforts shall be done means shall be made. Herein means in this undertaking. Means my best efforts shall be made in this undertaking. Enter Graciano. Graciano, where is your master? Leonardo, yonder, sir, he walks. Sir, he walks over there. Graciano, Signor Bassanio. Signor Bassanio, Mr. Bassanio. Bassanio, Graciano. Graciano, I have a suit to you. Graciano says to Bassanio, I have a suit to you. Suit means request. I have a request to you, Bassanio. Bassanio, you have obtained it. You have obtained it means it has been already granted to you. Graciano, you must not deny me. I must go with you to Belmont. You must not deny me. You must not deny me. I must go with you to Belmont. I am willing to go with you to Belmont. And I hope that you do not deny me. You do not refuse me to take me to Belmont. Bassanio, why then you must? Why then you must? You must go with me. But hear thee means you, Graciano. But listen very carefully, Graciano. But listen to very carefully, Graciano. Thou art too wild. Thou art too wild. Your behavior is too wild. Your nature is too wild. Your disposition is too wild. Too rude and bold of voice. Your nature is too rough. And you are outspoken in speech. This is the problem with you. Thou art too wild, too rude, and bold of voice. Parts that become thee happily enough. Parts means your nature. Okay. Parts that become thee happily enough. Okay. Parts means qualities that become means suit you. The happily enough means when you are living with us, your rough nature, your outspoken in speech suit to all of us. Parts that become the happily enough. Okay. And in such eyes as ours appear no faults. And in our opinion, when you are talking to us, it is no fault in the in our views, we are not taking it otherwise. But where thou art not known, but in Belmont, where the people do not recognize you, they do not know your nature, there your behavior will be awkward. There your behavior will be strange to them. But where thou art not known, why dare they so? Why dare they so? Something too liberal. Liberal means rather too freely. Pray thee, I pray you, take pain to allow. Allow means I request you. Take pain means take care. To ally with some cold drops of modesty, to moderate your nature, to tone down with a drop of decency. Okay, I request you to moderate your temper, to moderate your nature, to tone down with a drop of decency. Thy keeping spirit, thy your unruly disposition, least means else, through thy wild behavior, I be misconstructed in the place I go to. Means your behavior, your unruly disposition may be misunderstood in another way where we are going. And I lose my hopes. And I hope that your behavior will not help me to win the things for which we are going in to Belmont. Graciano, Signor Bassanio, hear me. Mr. Bassanio, listen to me. If I do not put on a sober habit, habit means disposition, habit means manner. A sober habit means a serious manner or decent clothes. If I do not put on a sober habit, disposition, manner, talk with respect, and swear, but now and then wear prayer books in my pocket, look demurely, look grave. Demurely means grave and serious. Nay, more, while grace is saying. While grace is saying means prayer before meals is being said. I shall do prayer before taking meals. While grace is saying, hood mine eyes. Hood means I shall cover my eyes. People of some rank wore hats at meals to cover their eyes. Hood mine eyes. Thus with my hat I shall cover my eyes at the time of taking meal. And sigh and say Amen. And sigh and say Amen. Use all the observance of civility like one well studied in a sad ostent. Use all the observance of civility. I shall use all the outward forms of good manners. I shall parade there, I shall show their outward forms of good manners there. Like one well studied in sad ostent, like one who is serious in appearance, to please his grandam, to please his grandmother. Never trust me more. Never trust me more. Never trust me more. Bassanio, well, we shall see your bearing. Okay? We shall see your conduct. We shall see your way of doing there. Okay, well, we shall see your bearing. Bearing means conduct. We shall see your way of doing there. We shall see your conduct there. Graciano, nay, but I bar tonight. Bar means make an exception tonight. You shall not gaze me. You shall not judge me. Gaze means judge. You shall not gaze me means you shall not judge me tonight by what we do tonight, whatever we are going to do tonight. Bassanio, no, that were pity. That would be a pity. I would entreat you rather to put on your boldest suit of armor. I would entreat you, I would request you rather to put on your boldest suit of mirth, your boldest amusing nature tonight in the party. Okay, your boldest suit of mirth, for we have friends that purpose merriment. Today, I have given a dinner party. In that dinner party, my best friends will gather there. And at the time of taking their dinner, amusement is necessary. And I hope that you will amuse them. So today, I shall not put foundation on you. I should not put barrier on you. I should not put obstructions on you. That purpose merriment. But fare you well. I have some business. This time fare you well. I have some business to do. I have some work to do. Graciano, and I must to Lorenzo and the rest. Must to means I must go to Lorenzo and the rest of my friends to have conversation with them. But we will suit you at supper time. But we will visit you at the supper time, but we will join you at the time of supper. Now act second, scene third. This scene introduces us to Shylock's daughter. In this scene, the dramatist introduces us to Shylock's daughter, Jessica, and to her love affair with Lorenzo. And in this scene, you will be acquainted with her love affair with Lorenzo. Shylock is not present in this scene. Shylock is not present in this scene. But the eagerness which Jessica manifests to leave her father's home aids to Shylock's image of a miserly tyrant. But the image which Jessica presents of her father shows that Shylock is a miser man, Shylock is a tyrant man, and this is the reason first Lancelot left his job and now his own daughter Jessica is preparing to leave him. Jessica's plan to elope with Lorenzo. Jessica decided in this scene that she will run away from her house with Lorenzo, gives Shylock another reason to hate Christians. And this gives another reason to Shylock. He was hating the Christians, and the elopement of Jessica gives another reason to Shylock to hate Christians. Jessica gives Lancelot a message to be delivered to Lorenzo. Jessica gave a letter. Jessica gave a message to Lancelot, and she requests Lancelot to deliver this message to Lorenzo. She then expresses her plan to end the conflict between her love for Lorenzo and her loyalty to her father by marrying Lorenzo. She then expresses her plan to end the conflict between her love for Lorenzo. A conflict was going between her love for Lorenzo and her loyalty to father. By marrying Lorenzo, she put an end to the conflict. Scene 3, Venice. A room in Shylock's house. Enter Jessica and Lancelot. Jessica. I am sorry thou wilt leave my father's home. She is talking to Lancelot. Jessica says, I am sorry thou wilt leave my father's home. I am very sorry. I am very sorry, Lancelot. Thou wilt means you will leave my father. So means in this manner. Means you are going to leave the job of my father in this manner. I am not happy with this, that you are going to leave my father's house in this manner. Our house is a hell. I know well that our house is a hell. Our house is hell. And thou a merry devil. Our house is a hell. And you were a devil. Merry devil means you were a person who were amusing you by cracking a joke or two. Okay. Our house is hell, and thou means you, a merry devil. And you were a devil who were amusing me by cracking a joke or two. Didst rob it of some taste of tediousness. Okay, you were the person who were robbing some part of boredom. Okay, means you were removing the boredom of my house by cracking a joke or two and making me happy. Didst rob it of some taste of tediousness, but fare thee well. But fare thee well. She says, farewell to you. Okay, Lancelot, that you are going from my house. There is a ducat for thee. She gave him a ducat for the services, for the jokes which he was saying to Jessica when he was in the service of Shylock. She gave him a tip in the form of a ducat for the services which he performed when he was in the service of Shylock. There is a ducat for thee. There is a ducat for thee. And Lancelot, soon at supper, shalt thou see Lorenzo. Lancelot, at the time of supper, at the time of the party, which was given by your new master Bassanio, Lorenzo will reach there. Soon at supper, shalt thou see. Shalt means shall, thou means you shall see Lorenzo. Who is thy new master's guest? Who will be your new master's Bassanio's guest? Give him this letter. This is a letter, Bassanio. This is a letter, Lancelot. Give this letter to Lorenzo, who will be the guest in the party. Do it secretly. Do it secretly. Do it secretly and so farewell. Give the letter secretly and so farewell. I would not have my father see me in talk with thee. Thee means you. I don't want that my father will see you, that I am talking to you. Okay. And so farewell. I would not have my father see me in talk with thee. I don't want that my father shall see that I am in conversation with you. Lancelot audio. Goodbye. Tears exhibit my tongue. Tears exhibit my tongue. Lancelot means. Lancelot means. Exhibit my tongue means tears. emotion prevent me from speaking. Lancelot was overwhelmed to see the behavior of Jessica. He found a great difference between the nature of Jessica and her father. He says that tears exhibit my tongue. Tears are coming. Lancelot became emotional, and tears are rolling down from his eyes. Okay. And he says that the tears which are coming out from my eyes prevent me from speaking, Jessica. Most beautiful pagan, you are a paragon of virtue. You are the most beautiful woman, most sweet Jew. Most sweet Jew means Jewess. Jessica, you are the most sweet lady. If a Christian do not play the knave and get the, if a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. I feel cheated. I am sure if a Christian Lorenzo is not going to play dishonest and get you, okay, I am much deceived. I am much deceived. But adieu, these foolish drops do somewhat drown my manliness. I am a man, and I do not sow tears. It will lower down my manly spirit. Okay, it will lower down my tears which are coming out from my eyes, will lower down my manly spirit. Okay, I am much deceived. But adieu, these foolish drops do somewhat drown my manly spirit. Somewhat drown means rather dampen my courage, my spirit. Means lower down my manly spirit, my manly courage. Adieu, goodbye. Jessica, farewell, good Lancelot. Farewell, good Lancelot. Exhibit Lancelot. Elect. Elect means alas. What heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? What heinous sin is it in me? Heinous means deadly. What deadly sin, sin means evil, is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? I am ashamed of to be Shylock's daughter. But though I am a daughter to his blood, but I am a daughter to his blood means by birth I am his daughter, I am not to his manners, but I am not like him in his behavior. My behavior is different from my father's behavior. It is a fact that I am his daughter by birth, but our behavior is different. O Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, I shall end this strife. O Lorenzo, if thou keep promise means keep your promise. O Lorenzo, if you keep your promise, I shall end this strife. I shall end this conflict between loyalty to her father and love for Lorenzo. The conflict which is going on in my heart between the loyalty to her father and love for Lorenzo, that conflict will be over, that conflict will end. I shall end this conflict. How shall she end the conflict? By becoming a Christian. Okay, and thy loving wife, she married Lorenzo, and by marrying Lorenzo, she will become a Christian, and in this way, she will end the conflict that is going on between loyalty to her father and love for Lorenzo. Act second, scene 4. This short scene carries on the subplot of Jessica, elopement with Lorenzo. In this scene, you will find the elopement of Jessica with Lorenzo. In Venice, Bassanio's friends have planned the celebrations at his dinner party. Lancelot delivers Jessica's letter to Lorenzo. Lorenzo informs Graciano how Jessica, disguised as a torch bearer, would escape from her father's house with money and jewels to elope with Lorenzo. The scene provides a contrast to the serious business world of Venice and dwells on the subjects of disguise, loyalty, and frivolity. Scene 4, Venice, High Street, Inter Graciano, Lorenzo, Slarino, and Slarino. Lorenzo says, nay, we will slink away in supper time. Means a dinner party is given by Bassanio. And all his friends will gather there. Lorenzo said, when the dinner party will go on, we will slink away in supper time. We will slip off when the dinner party will go on. Disguise us at my lodging. Disguise us at my lodging and return all in an hour. Disguise us at my lodging. Lorenzo said, at my lodging, we shall disguise ourselves. We shall put mask on our faces and return all in an hour. And after doing our work, we will come back again within an hour in the dinner party. Graciano, we have not made good preparations. I hope that our arrangements are not good. Slarino, we have not spoke as yet of torchbearer. Means we have not yet arranged for torchbearer. Means each gentleman participated in the procession would be preceded by an attendant who carried a lighted torch. We have not made good preparations. We have not made good arrangements. We have not spoke as yet of torchbearer. We have not discussed yet who will become the torchbearer. Slanio, it is vile. It is disgusting. Unless it may be quaintly ordered, it may be arranged in style. Quaintly ordered means unless it may be arranged in style, and better in my mind, not understood. Okay, and in my opinion, it would be better not to attempt it. Lorenzo, it is now but 4 o'clock. We have 2 hours to furnish us. It is now but 4 o'clock. We have 2 hours to furnish us, means to get ourselves ready. Only 2 hours to furnish us. We have only 2 hours to get ourselves ready. Enter Lancelot with a letter. Lancelot enters with a letter. Friend Lancelot, what is the news? What news have you brought, my friend Lancelot? Lancelot, and it shall please you to break up this, it shall seem to signify. Signify means inform you. And it shall please you to break up this, to break the seal of the letter. When you will break up, when you will break the seal of this letter, after reading the content of the letter, you will be very happy. Okay. And it shall please you to break up this. Means when you shall break the seal of this letter and read the content of the letter, you will be very happy after reading the content of the letter. Thank you.